Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We got a special surprise for you today because Mo and Christian are coming over and they're bringing their Sur-on e-bikes. So we get to see what the e-bikes are all about on the backyard track and see if either of them got the nuts to send the ramp on them. Anyway, Miller's coming over too. Garrett's coming out to make an appearance. So I think Brittany's trying to hit the big double out here. Should be a lot of firsts going on today. Henry, we're filming an intro, man. Come on. Squeaky toys for dogs. Anyway. We're gonna ride pit bikes today and we're gonna have a good time. Last weekend, I had probably like 15 or 20 people over. Killer day. Shout out to all the dudes that came out. It was a freaking blast, dude. So I got enough clips to make a montage out of it. So I'm just gonna start this video off with a banger montage from last week's ride day. Check it out.
Man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music is all soul. Just got new drills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed for the stage now, they clearing all the bad women in the building. Man, there's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know about counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know, tomorrow brings in this crazy life. This life, this life, this life, this life. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy.
Alright, so Brittany's been ripping and killing it and jumping all the jumps here recently. So a new agenda for today, right? You want to jump something different.
I don't know.
Brittany wants to jump the bigger double. I think she's got it. Don't you think you got it?
Yeah.
You got it. After watching our buddy weed himself 4 times, literally 4 times in literally 10 minutes, Brittany's feeling confident that she's got it, right? Brittany's hitting the double today. Boys are finally rolling in. Hour late. We said 1 o'clock. Here it is, 2 o'clock. We're gonna go say what's up and dude, we're gonna find out where Miller's at because Miller's always on Miller time. Just ride.
Just ride.
I like the graphics, dog.
Dude, fresh, right?
Super fresh.
So sick.
I like the color scheme.
I went with
That's
like
clean.
a old school retro vibe. So hard, bro.
Styled, I like it. Go look at this $15,000 Sur-on over here.
He's put way too much money in that thing. Yeah.
So what's the latest and greatest on this thing, Mowbray?
Elka Shock. Mowbray. That's a new name.
I like it.
Elka Shock, all new linkage, new forks, and chain driven.
Chain driven.
Oh, yeah.
What's the big upgrade from the chain drive to the belt drive?
Well, belts seem to I've changed 3 belts in the last 200 miles on this thing, so I don't know. It's way louder though. So
louder.
Yeah.
Well, dude, both of these things look sick.
New
I can't wait
exhaust.
to just rip one. And apparently, I haven't rode a real Sur-on yet. Miller's was a clapter.
Yeah.
We all knew it was clapped out. These look pretty dialed.
Those forks
So
hit different.
we'll get a rip on one later. First start.
Oh yeah, I gotta let it warm up though. So chill.
Yo, have you heard from Miller yet? Dude, we said 1 o'clock. And
Oh, I know, bro. You're vlogging, right?
3 o'clock.
He's late. Always late.
always late.
I told you in the text, right?
I say yes, dude. We said 1 o'clock.
Hey, Jim.
And we said we're not gonna ride till 3 because Miller's not gonna be here
me
till
every
3.
morning, 7:30, Jim. Yep, same time every day. And you know what time he shows up? 9:50.
Miller time. He's always on Miller time. We're just gonna go ahead and pop on the helmet and go to GoPro and spin a few laps and see if we can get Mo worked up to hitting this ramp. All right, let's go get the first couple laps. Ow. Oh shit, need some gloves. Where are we going? We need some gloves. Gloves. All right, dog, hold it down. Let's go see what the boys are up to. Definitely dusty today, boys. Sorry about it. It is what it is. Oh, hope you boys signed the waiver.
Dude, it's sick.
You like it? Literally the smoothest jump you've ever hit in your entire life. Holy shit, I just flat landed that thing. Whew. Talk about sending that thing to the moon. Oh, that was so scary. I need to check my spokes on that for real. Oh man, that was insane. Whew. All right. All right, that was a little better.
I'm gonna go grab my helmet, cut a little warm up lap.
Heck yeah. Got the bike warmed up? You got the bike warmed up? Running crisp? All right. Still no sign of Miller. But boys are on track. It's Pit Viper kind of day, boys. Oh yeah, we're feeling steezy. All right, all right, all right.
Ready?
You gonna jump it?
I'm scared to open jump it, honestly. Because I know I feel like I gotta carry more speed than I think. I don't want to talk about it, I just want you to run up. Run me up.
Alright. Mowbray. Let's go, baby, let's go! Woo! The boy Mowbray. Mowbray about to get steezy in a minute, watch.
Yo, hell yeah.
Alright, baby, you're next. You can hit doubles, right? It's only a double, it's not a triple.
You're right.
It looks like you're like riding a Cadillac.
Yeah, it is. If you ride mine and then hop on that, you're like.
And yours is so yours is stock, right? Just different wheels. Because those aren't stock wheels, right? Oh, they are? Really? Ooh, show us some steez.
Oh.
Heck yeah.
You look sick, bro.
Let's go holler at Jesus, see what's up with this bike that he didn't buy. Yo, where's the bike?
Huh?
No bike?
Got stood up.
Oh, really?
So I just went to the
My bad, I just straight up dusted y'all out. Ooh.
Oh, those get a lot of air. He's got a number plate on it. Do they race them?
Nah. Yo.
Hey. Now, I got a question for Christian. Compression up means it would stiffen it, right?
Yeah.
So if I just can take it for a ride and tell me if you think there's any fix to the throttle right now.
All right. Oh yeah, I see. First ride on the Suron. All right, so we're gonna test out the throttle. Ah yeah. I mean, it's like we got cruise control. Whoa. Bars are a little loose. Let's go get that tightened up. Let's go get the factory prep done on this thing. Let's go.
X I rod it. 2X the mushroom chocolate. 2X on neck, I'm frostbit. Stay dressing, no balsamic. Got commas, Conde Garçonde. Cup guys, cues like Compton. Chef Noble, cook me raw fish. Long beards, but the squad's not Amish. Just bosses, dropouts, and convicts. Wallets bigger than Chris Wallace. Dead presidents inside is haunted. Yellow tape where I'm from, stay cautious. Made mixtapes wearing shirts with the horses. It's been a minute since I give a fuck about a critic's opinion, but they keep on forgetting where the bars went. Old timers, damn, y'all got Alzheimer's. Can't say what your subconscious think. Be honest, y'all hate that I switch.
He's gonna ignore me, watch. He already knows. He's on that Miller time, man.
Miller!
3 hours later.
And we've been all out ripping with the boys all morning. We said ride time's 1 o'clock. It's 3:30. Now we're gonna go find out why Miller's on Miller time. I think he got a surprise though, so let's go check out what he got. Miller, buddy.
Buddy, 3 o'clock.
Dude, we said 1 o'clock.
About
3 o'clock.
I had to show
Actually,
up,
I think
man.
it's 3:30.
What'd you call it earlier? Miller time, right?
Miller time. It's Miller time.
Miller time. Yo, I gotta-
But hey, you got a new toy.
I did get a new toy. You want to check it out?
Yeah, I
It's
see
got
your
the-
factory rider showed up with you today.
It's factory. She is. She's definitely factory. Dude, the 100R.
Dude, we got a bunch of brand new bikes today.
What
The 100 is 100R stand for race edition?
Yeah, it's the race. The
Should be racing now?
Yeah, she's racing. Buddy, look at this. I don't know if it's a steel or not. The bars are kind of torn too.
That'll buff out.
Yeah, so I did bring you a treat. I need a tube place.
Oh boy. Insert the clip of last week whenever I had to do another tube. Alright, so somehow Miller always seems to pop his rear tube.
Dude, I just get too throttle happy in the air, come back down and just slaps it.
And I always get suckered into having to change it, so
Shout out to Jake.
this is what we're gonna do. Ready? And done.
Nice.
Alright, so we're gonna get you dialed in with a tube, we're gonna get you unloaded, because me, Mo, and Christian have been riding for an hour, bro. So
What?
let's get all this done and let's
I'm interrupted. Today, now you've been holding it off for a big, you know, surprise.
Yeah.
Today's the jump.
Have you hit it?
Yeah.
Is it pretty fun?
It's so fun.
Oh! Let me ride this thing for a rip for one time.
Yeah.
Or let me take it for a rip one time. I can't even talk.
Taking the spokes off your Allen.
Yeah, that was steezy.
Don't hit that.
All right.
Please.
I'm not. I'm scared to even jump the tabletops on this thing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dude, the weirdest thing to me about riding the e-bikes is there's no shifter and there's no brake on the foot pedals. So like, oh. And it's all on the handlebars, so it takes me a minute to. Oh, all right. Oh, you want to talk about something that'll make you feel like a squid the first time riding it? Get on one of these e-bikes. Oh. Oh, I'm so scared to jump this. Oh, I feel like a bitch. Oh, all right. Dude, Mo, you're crazy for jumping the ramp on this thing. Oh God, okay, oh God. Hi. Oh, rooster tails.
You like it though?
It's pretty fun. Sport mode. All right. Oh, the brakes are so weird. Oh, squirrely Steve. Oh. Oh, oh. Ah! Holy shit. Oh, let's go, baby, so smooth. Oh, dude, should we get e-bikes? No. About to tow Miller into this ramp. He's been wanting to hit it for a while. He's just looking at it, psyching himself out. And I'm like, bro, just relax. You got it. Trust your ability. And you got it, dog. So I'm about to tow him in. And everybody go leave good vibes in the comments and tell Miller how much he's improved over the last year. The dude's killing it now. So where'd he go? Oh, hey, anxiety poops? Yep. Already? You'll have that. Hey, what do they say? You'll have that on them big jobs. Oh! You got it, bud. You ready? All right, you got this. Let's go, baby, let's go! Attaboy! Oh, let's go, baby! I want to do this one. Tell me you got that.
Friends think I got money now.
All right.
And their girlfriends think that I'm funny now. It's like all they ever talk about. You knew me then, but you don't know me now. Yeah, and this one's for the people who were with me forever, had $1 in my bank account. And for the girls who would hit me on, even gotta buy a drink for them to be making out. It's real love, real friends, yeah, never separated, homie, I'm on my Kevin Bacon. I used to tell him we'll be traveling around the world, playing shows one day, now we celebrating. Hey, it's me and Conan on TV, Mama I did it, Shasta, Bella and Gigi. I need a new Lamborghini, I need some girls in bikinis. I got like so many wishes, I think I might need a genie. I roll the weed up in the Uber X, tell him hold up, let me hit you with the new address. And we partying from Brooklyn all the way to Budapest, so I'ma do me, you can do the rest. All my friends think I got money now, and their girlfriends think that I'm funny now. It's like all they ever talk about. You knew me then, but you don't know me now. Yeah, and this is for the friends who ain't really friends. Let me break it down, here's a definition.
Yeah, let's go. That was the hardest part. Oh yeah, dude. There's the move. Oh! Oh! Ow! Shoulder? Are you okay?
My knee.
You had it. Are you okay?
No, my knee.
Well, lay flat.
Oh, I hit the double.
Yeah. Congrats. Like, I'm proud of you. You took that shit like a man.
You didn't even mess up on the jump. You just messed up on the ground once you got back down.
Yeah.
I know.
Can somebody take a thumbnail?
Hey,
you did it for the clip.
You made it to the other side of the landing.
Ooh, you got a little road rash on the arm there?
Yeah.
I love how
Hey guys, honest to God, this is the first time I've crashed my pit bike.
It really is.
Hey,
it really
first weekend, she works at an ER now. She thinks she can do everything.
Tomorrow's our first day on the floor.
And I'm not gonna be able to fucking walk.
Solid. Little update. Did you leave any dirt on the track? Is the question.
Leg.
Jake, she killed that jump. Literally.
Oh, she killed it.
On those two big butt cheeks right there. All right, sit back down. All right, let's push her over the double.
No.
Let's go hit the ramp.
Come on, we're going.
I'm straight up not having a good time.
The Navy.
Did I miss something?
Apparently you missed that episode.
Are you joining?
Oh my God!
Are you
You're
joining?
taking over the Navy! Squidward, the robots are running the Navy!
Not the Navy!
So well, boys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. I'll go link Mo, Christian, Miller, Garrett, all their channels down in the description. We're gonna be at Tomahawk next weekend, so it's Miller's second pit bike race. Hopefully Brittany will be in tune for it, and yeah, stay tuned for that. It's coming at you next week, and we'll see you guys there.
What's up? Yeah, we do it all day, dog. I bite and you play, dog. I don't like the way that you play, dog.
Well. Next day, how you feeling? Well, we're gonna go get her checked out. Let's cross our fingers. We're proud of you though.
Push them up and out the way. Get that carpet out my face, I said. Do that to the break of dawn. Right now, we gotta break them in.